Thank you for installing our app, Pricing by Country. This video is related to how to use our app and how to test our app. To test our app is the most important things because we had the product price in the collection page and the product detail page. Okay, so you have to first initially test our app with the enabling one product. Okay, then once you think like everything is working fast, then fine, then you can also enable the like a other product. But initially first check with the all the setting with the one product, and then if it's look to you good, okay, then also you can enable the multiple products. Okay, so let's start with the like a initial integration. Okay, so pricing by our app is already providing currency converter app. Okay, so if you are using any other currency converter app, then you can disable it, and our app automatically convert the currency based on the user IP. Okay, so you don't also need the currency selector. Okay, we just do the currency converter based on the user location. Also our app work on the creating the multiple variant, okay, based on the country, whatever the setting you make. Okay, so it's create the extra variant in your product. Okay, so for that, before you uninstall the so uninstall process is like you have to come in our app. Okay, and then you need to uninstall the like you have to click on the like a disabled our app. So once you click on the disabled our app, it asks you like only remove code or remove code and variant. So if you don't want to use the app, okay, then you can click on the remove code and variant. Okay, so it automatically delete the all the variant and also the remove the code from your theme. Okay, so there is the introduction screen. Okay, like where we put these all the things. Okay, so now for next thing is you have to add the like a money class in your currency setting. Okay, like if you click here, then it's automatically redirect you the page. Okay, and then let's wait, whatever the default currency, you have to click on the change format. Okay, and here you have to put the like money class like this. Okay, and we already put like this thing here. Okay, so you can make the same. Okay, here. Okay, so once this is done, then we have the one verify button here. Okay, and once you click on the verify, then it's only enable the next button. And if you don't first you don't setting this, then it's not provide you the like a next button. You cannot go next. Okay. Third screen is like you have to select the themes. Okay, like my theme is debut, so I can select the debut. And if my theme is it's not in the list, okay, so don't worry, click on the other. Okay, put your theme link, theme name, and if you have the theme link, okay, like wherever you purchase, okay, if you can provide, that is good. And if your store have the password, okay, front password, okay, then put also the front password here. Okay, so we don't need to ask the password again and again. Okay, but if you have the other theme, like a theme is not listed in this list, okay, then the maybe we cannot give you the direct access. Okay, but if your theme is listed, okay, then you have to as I mentioned before, like first you can we give you the direct access. Okay, but you need to test the app from yourself. So that is the thing. So once you come to this page, okay, you have to sync the product. Okay, and you will sync the product from here. So once you sync the product, it's already synced the all the product whatever you have in store. Okay, so you have to do now the two things. First, you set up the currency, not currency, country. Okay, so country you make changes yourself, like whatever you want to do. Let's say I want to increase the price for the USA. Okay, so USA, United States. Okay, so it's automatically select. I want to increase the. You can select the two types. Okay, percentage and amount, whatever you want to choose. Let's say I want to do double the price and 100%. So it's double the price. These all the setting is extra. Like you can set the manual rate, pricing, rounding rule. If the currency is enabled in your Shopify default payment gateway, then you can also enable here. Okay, and then just submit it. So you can, and the rest of the world, it means like if someone come in visiting your website from the Canada, okay, then whatever the rules is apply based on the rest of the world. If you not added this currency, okay, if someone now visiting from United States, then this rule is apply. If the someone is not from this specific currency, then rest of the world rule is apply. Okay, now if you go to here, okay, and if you click on the enable for the any product, I already enabled the one product. Let me delete this so you will get idea. Okay, so let me enable this. So you can see here for the India we have the 250 price. Rest of the world it's increased the 10% of your default currency, and from the United States it's increased the 100%. So it's become the 500. Okay, so let me save the changes. Okay, so now So from the app side, setting is done for the initial testing. But once you enable, because right now our app is not enabled, so you once you enable the app, so now our app is enabled, our code is there, okay. And if you do the refresh, okay, now you see, because I'm from the India, so it show me the like a 250, okay. And for you guys, to make the testing easy, okay, we added the some very easy code to do testing. Okay, let's say I want to check the what is the price in US. Okay, just put the CC is equal to US, whatever the country code, it's basically country code. Okay, and if you do this, okay, then it's automatically show you price on the whatever in US, and it's also converted into the whatever the US currency. You see here it's almost around near to this amount. You see for the 600 8 1.1, and for the 500 it's this amount. So it is same rule apply here. On let's say I want to taste now for the rest of the world. So you can apply any country that is not in your current setting. So let's say apply the CCCA. So because we did this setting, because so you don't need to add the like any that IP transformer extension on anything. You can just taste easily. Okay, you don't need to add. Okay, so this is the like a product detail page. Okay, like let's say we need to check the same rule is applying on the like a category collection page or not. So if you go here, you see here like I'm from the India, so initially, so that's why it's showing me the India price. So let me change this to the CC to US. Okay, you see here like a new rule is applied for this only particular product. Okay, these all product we are selecting the by default price, and we are converting just into the USD rule. Okay, so basically this all is like you see like it's increased price. Okay, and if you are same still you visitor from the USA, right now it's showing me INR, because as you change the this, okay, it's automatically go back to the normal. So you for the testing you have to always you need CC or whatever your current whatever the country for you want to test, you need to add that CC is equal to whatever the like your country code USA or whatever, and it's automatically remove after once you load product detail page. Collection page keeps same, but for the product page is mostly same, because the whatever the variant is select, it's come here the like this variant is selected. Okay, and rest of the thing is mostly working. And if also you can test also the app from the if you click on the here edit. Okay, we added some option here. Okay, let's say click on the preview. So preview always add the CC is equal to like your country code at the end. Okay, let's say you want to test this one. Okay, so then you click on the preview. Okay, it's automatically add the CC at the end of, then so automatically show you the like a price for that country. Okay, so that is also one more option to directly taste from here. Now let's say you are checking this all thing and you find any issue. Okay, let's say you in the product detail page pricing is not showing and some other problem is find. Okay, and in the catalog page, let's say this price is not coming properly based on the whatever your selection, or maybe the pricing is not showing also, maybe can be the issue. Okay, maybe this can not visible. So if you think the issue is huge, okay, let's say this is working fine and some small issue is there, okay, then it's up to you. Like if issue is big, okay, then you can come here and disable the app. Okay, so in the disable the app, okay, it's asked you two things. Okay, let's say you want keep using the our app. Okay, then you can just click on the remove code. Okay, maybe your pricing is not showing and something else. Okay, but I prefer like if you only the testing, okay, like click on the remove code and variant, so it's automatically delete the whatever the variant you have created. This like enable our app, so it's automatically delete the extra variant is created. Okay, and if you find there is not a big problem, okay, and it's a small problem, okay, you can just contact in our support. Okay, you will find the subchat support here. Okay, and from that you can contact us. Okay, so it's up to you based on the your thing. Okay, you can decide like if issue is huge, okay, then you can automatically disable the app. Okay, and the main issue is like if the pricing is not showing any pages, so like product detail page, maybe the home page or collection page. Okay, so that is the thing. So if you click on here the remove code and variant, okay, then it's do the process and it's automatically remove the code, and also the product is now disabled. So if you go here, our app is removed, and also now if you do the CC or anything, it's not work. Okay, so now it's normal. So testing is more important for the first product. Okay, and if it's the first product working perfectly, then it's also work for the each and every other product. So now you are if the everything is working good, okay, then you are good to use our app, and based on the you can do the like setting. Okay, whatever the setting you want to add, Now let's say you made some changes and you are testing it, and then you are thinking like it's not working for me, and you don't want to use, okay, like whenever you are testing, and after like maybe 1 or 2 months you use the our app, and then you think you don't want to use our app, so do not delete the directly app from your admin panel. Okay, first come here in our app and disable the app. Okay, remove the code and variant. Okay, so because otherwise if you delete the app directly from your Shopify admin, okay, then our code is always there, and whatever the variant we have generated, okay, then it's also always there. Okay, so our suggestion is do not delete directly from the Shopify admin. So one more thing is like we have the live chat support, okay, but sometimes people don't get the right away answer because maybe we don't have the 24 cross chat support, okay, because we are maybe sleeping or that is the case, okay. So sometimes wait for our response, okay, if you don't get the like a quick support, but we are trying to get the like a response as soon as possible, okay. Our first thing is we give the like answer to the all the question whatever the user have asked. Keep using our app. It's very good to improve good to make more money and like improve your revenue, okay, because no one provide this kind of solution in the Shopify right now.